Hi, my name's Simon Longster. I run a company we're called All-in-One Marketing. I want to introduce this system to you today. I think it's a great system for estate agents, letting agents, very relevant to you. I'm not going to spend more than 5 minutes of your time. If you're interested, there's a link below, and obviously you can give me a ring and we'll have a chat about how the system can help you. There's a presentation on the link below. I'm going to go through the main points here. As an agency, I'm sure you're interested obviously in getting more sales, getting more listings, and part of that is building a list. You may be finding that old style marketing is not working as well as it used to be. The internet maybe is struggling with search engine rankings, etc. You're not getting as much business, and possibly you're struggling with limited budgets and how to improve your return on investment. So our system now, as an estate agent or letting agent, I know you'll have a list of people to market to. You might even use SMS now to market to these people, to send people details of new listings. But please don't stop the video at this point. There's a lot more to our system than just sending SMS messages to people. Part of the power of this is actually using SMS to build your list, to increase the size of your list. So not only can you update clients, you're actually going to build a list using SMS, which will get you more sign-ups, people interested in your properties. This in turn will improve the return on investment on your marketing, help you sell and rent more properties. The system not only uses SMS, it uses multiple channels of communication. You can send emails, Facebook updates and tweets all from the same control panel, but we do all this for you. We do all the marketing on your behalf. It's a fully managed service, but you'll be seen as a leading edge agent in your area, which has an extra benefit of getting more listings for you. Okay, because people want to go to the agent that's got all the technology. So what we basically do in terms of building the list, there's several ways we help you build a list to increase the size of your list. The big one really is by setting up SMS keywords. Everyone's got a mobile phone, everyone's texting. People prefer to text rather than to speak to people these days. So as an example, when you've got a minute, just text this keyword, BUYWSH, buy WSH, text that to 60607 and you'll see the system in action. What happens, I'll just quickly show you a screenshot of what happens. When you text that, you get immediately you'll get a autoresponder, which obviously we configure with normally we put your company name there as we sell houses, and you get a thank you saying thanks for signing up. As soon as we get new properties or updates, we'll be in touch. Very important, you yourself, the agent, will get a notification via SMS to say that this particular phone number has just subscribed using that keyword. So you can contact the person, obviously you can contact them immediately and ask them what they're looking for, what sort of budget, what area, etc. The other message that the person gets when he texts in is it's an industry standard message just saying they're going to get so many messages a month about property details, which again we can configure on your behalf. So as well as using the keywords, and you would have that call to action everywhere. You'd have that in your windows, I'd have it in your listings, in your advertisements, in the emails you send out. Get people to subscribe, and people will, just walking past your agency, they'll subscribe because they want to know immediately when properties become available. You can have sign-up forms on your website. Again, we set all these up for you so people can enter all the details and the budget and comments. If you've got a spare monitor in your office, in the shop window, you can have a nice big call to action, nice visible call to action. Maybe have a property of the week there as well with details, etc. Hopefully you'll be using Facebook, and again we have a Facebook widget where people can sign up within Facebook to join your list. And we provide all the marketing information as well, so that let me just go back to the presentation. We use the QR codes, for example. If people are some people do just like scanning QR codes, so rather than texting by WSH to 6067, they will scan the QR code, which generates exactly the same thing, a text by WSH to 6067. Again, with your advertising, you can actually get people to text characters after the keyword. So they text by WSH, which is the keyword. Then you can specify whatever you want afterwards. So in this scenario, when someone texts that, you know that they're interested in that property in Holborn House. So most agencies, you have property reference numbers. So in your window, you can say text by WSH space ref, whatever the reference number is, and you'll know immediately when someone's looking in your shop window, when someone's looking in your advertisement, that someone is interested in your property. Straight away, get in touch with them. And obviously, when you're sending out messages, and again, we do this on your behalf with SMS, it's very important to use SMS for that. Because imagine in a shared scenario where another agent has just listed a property, if you can get that message out to your list via SMS, they're going to get it. 90% of the list will open it within 3 minutes. So you can potentially get people round to the house much quicker than all the other agents and hopefully get that property sold. I've gone slightly over 5 minutes. I'm going to stop at this point. Please have a look at the link underneath. Have a look at the presentation. Try out the system. It's a great system. I'm convinced it will help with your return on investment in your marketing. And please get in touch. And thank you for listening to me.